They ran in my room, pointing guns at my face.
A terrifying experience. This family says the FBI raided their home by mistake. Years later, they're still fighting for the federal government to make things right. Channel 2 investigative reporter Ashley Lincoln joins us now. And Ashley, there's actually a federal law designed to help people in situations just like this one.
Wendy, is called the Tort Claims Act. It's designed to give financial relief for victims of wrong house raids and situations just. But this family told us they have yet to receive a dime, and they're hoping the U.S. Supreme Court will change that.
Gabriel Watson loves to run on the track and football field.
I had this like 60-yard run. I hit the outside. I had hurdled somebody, right?
His hurdle went viral on Instagram. He's hoping his race for justice will go viral as well. When Gabriel was just 8 years old, his life was turned upside down.
People screaming, banging on the door.
Sound like a cannon.
In 2017, Gabriel, his mom, Katrina Martin, and her boyfriend, Toy Clyott, were startled awake by a flashbang grenade.
I woke up and I thought we were being robbed.
Martin and Clyott hid in this closet. They were reaching for their guns when their closet door opened.
And I see about 4 weapons.
This wasn't a robbery. FBI agents were raiding the family's Southwest Atlanta home.
They ran in my room, pointing guns at my face.
It turned out to be a big mistake, only realized when an agent double-checked the mailbox numbers.
Came back in and told him, basically, we're at the wrong house.
The homeowner believes his house was wrongly targeted because his home sits on the corner. The actual house that was supposed to be raided is just down the street, sitting on the corner, and the same shade of color as his home.
I heard the officers run out, hop into the vehicles, run to the next house, the correct house, and you just hear it all over again.
She told me one agent came back, apologized, and left a card. The FBI never returned their phone calls or compensated them for damage to the home and their mental health, even though there's a federal law designed to do just that. It's called the Tort Claims Act. Attorney Dylan Moore represents the family. He told us the family used the law to sue the feds, but the case was tossed out by the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals.
The last people to bear the burden should be the innocent victims of those mistakes.
Years later, both mother and son are still receiving intense therapy.
I was terrified. I thought we were going to die.
Well, this part chokes me up. It choked me up all the time. That I couldn't protect my child.
Now, along with a bipartisan group of U.S. Congress members, they're hoping the U.S. Supreme Court will take this case up. I asked the FBI about this case. It says it doesn't comment on pending litigation and doesn't track wrong house raids.
Wrong house raids are troublingly common. It could happen to anyone, really at any time.
My favorite medal is this one. I got this one from state.
Now 15-year-old Gabriel says the same focus that won him all these track medals helped him overcome his fear of police officers. He's hoping his family crosses the finish line in their race for justice.
I just hope the courts do accept this case because somebody has to take accountability for this.
And again, Gabriel and his family, they hope the U.S. Supreme Court will hear their case. Of course, we will continue to follow this story and let you know updates as they happen. Reporting live in downtown Decatur, I'm Ashley Lincoln, Channel 2 Action News.
Can't help but think just how this would mark an 8-year-old going through that kind of a situation there, Ashley. I know you'll follow this one through. Thank you.
As the